Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 7.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 10% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla announced record-breaking deliveries in Q2 and has continued to outproduce competitors in the midst of a global microchip shortage. Britain has demanded a new deal to oversee post-Brexit trade involving Northern Ireland and warned the EU that London would be justified in deviating from a deal it struck with the bloc just last year. Prominent Ethereum developer Virgil Griffith, who was previously charged with violating U.S. sanctions against North Korea by assisting the communist country through the use of crypto, is back in custody.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 11:45 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision will be released at 11:45 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 23:01 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.